After months of blurry teasers, cryptic tweets, and speculation that had the internet spiraling into a frenzy, DJI has finally done it. They've officially announced the OSMO 360. And let me be very clear, this is not your average 360 camera launch. This is DJI kicking the doors wide open and rewriting the rulebook. Forget subtle upgrades or small steps forward. The OSMO 360 is an audacious leap into the future of immersive content creation. And if you weren't excited about 360 video before, this thing is about to change your mind. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the sensor. DJI has confirmed a 1-inch sensor packed inside this palm-sized powerhouse. Yes, you heard that right, a 1-inch sensor in a 360 camera. That's monumental. Why? Because low-light performance just went from meh to mind-blowing. Night shooting, indoor scenes, moody shadows, bring it all on. This kind of sensor in such a compact body has only ever been a dream for 360 creators, until now, and the magic doesn't stop there. The OSMO 360 serves up a jaw-dropping 8K video at 30 frames per second. Not upscaled, not processed. Pure, native 8K. That's cinematic clarity wrapped in a sphere of storytelling potential. Want buttery slow motion? You've got 4K at 120 frames per second. Craving that sweet balance between sharpness and speed? It's got 5K at 60 frames per second locked and loaded. This isn't just action cam stuff. This is high-end pro-grade performance disguised in a tiny travel-ready shell. Now brace yourself. This next part might cause your camera nerd brain to short circuit. The OSMO 360 captures 120 megapixel photos. Yes, 120. That's not a typo, and no, you don't need to clean your screen. DJI just walked into the room, looked at Insta360's 72 megapixel cap, and doubled it like it was nothing. This is the kind of leap that turns stills into digital murals. Whether you're capturing landscapes, cityscapes, or hyper-detailed environments for VR, this kind of resolution is game-changing. What really sets this camera apart isn't just the numbers, it's the creator-first design. DJI included 10-bit D-Log-M support, and for those who love to color grade, this is like Christmas morning. That means more dynamic range, richer colors, and skin tones that actually feel human. You can now shoot in 360 and still have full creative control in post without your footage falling apart under a colorist's touch. It's honestly one of the most overlooked yet brilliant additions. And just when you think it can't get any crazier, let's talk battery life. The built-in 1,850 mAh battery gives you an impressive 100 minutes of continuous 8K video recording. That's right, not HD, not 4K, 8K. There's an extended battery bar coming that could push that number up to a ridiculous 180 minutes. Imagine filming your entire hike, road trip, or festival in high-res glory. No battery anxiety needed. DJI didn't skimp on workflow either. The magnetic quick release mount is here, and it's just as sleek and secure as we hoped. And with support for Osmo Audio, the possibility of full integration with the DJI Mic 3 setup is looking more and more real. Seamless audio, seamless visuals. That's how you build a creator's dream machine. Now, we do have one tiny heartbreak. That rumored dual lens split view mode, yeah, still missing in action. No official word on it yet, which leaves us a little bummed, but also hopeful that DJI might surprise us later with a firmware update. Fingers crossed. As for pricing, the standard combo comes in at $549. Is it cheap? Not exactly, but for a 1-inch sensor, native 8K, 120 megapixel photos, extended battery life, and pro-level color profiles, it's a serious value. DJI isn't just stepping into the 360 market. They've jumped in headfirst, aiming straight for the top. The Osmo 360 is already out, and we've been putting it through its paces. So what do you think? Is this the new king of 360 cameras? Let us know in the comments, hit like if you're impressed, and don't forget to subscribe for more coverage.